Hello?
Who is it?
I'm the cable guy.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is
Where you
Jonathan.
want? Where you want?
Excuse me?
Where you want?
My name is Jonathan from Slow, and I'm gonna connect this card to this color right here, and then I'm gonna plug it onto the TV, and then I'm gonna connect it, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna work.
Babes, who was at the door?
No, so I do want this boy.
Jehovah's Witness?
Yeah, I'm making money on it.
Really? Think of somebody else.
No, no, no.
What do you mean?
I watch TV. Keisha,
Yeah, babes.
I'm on the thought this up.
No. Boss. Jonathan.
Keisha. What up?
Boy. Really? A Jehovah's Witness you left me for go town?
Keisha means a cable man. Keisha is
So hold on,
Man, you
hold
watch my
on.
face, I'm talking to my woman, man. I want to tell you, come on.
Cable man.
Yeah, Keisha, me a key man, so that me tell him I come put on your cable, babes.
So what? You know miss me?
Yo, we are talking about miss. You see me right there, sir?
What? I would have brother, yeah.
I'm blind.
Keisha, I would have brother, yeah. How you be? Yeah, what? You're the girl now?
Yeah, there you move.
I'm a man that tell my boy, come on, you know me? Yo, I would have brother, you know me? You know where I come from? Eh? You know where I come from? Big eater. Oh, tell a little eater, boy, you man, you know me? That's true, man, they want to lose all the work in a little eater, boy, man, I lick in their face, little eater, boy, you know me? Little eater, boy, you know me?
Just love chat, that's why I make you born.
Big.
Well, left from boy, sir. Left from yes, sir.
Boy, wait till me call Jody and tell her about this. Where my phone there? Which part of my phone there?
So where you laugh for?
What you mean when me a laugh for?
I this mean.
So what?
I mean so, not like how you moving.
Listen, boy, no we are playing with you know. You take me for one idiot girl, listen, you know, see I then I'm telling me come from dirty boy. Get up! You know, see me trying to go watch some money, you know what I'm now.
That's the usual. Bring her around, Jenna, you lose again.